Hi Kristen, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. This is the 2011 Jeep Compass that you were asking about. I wanted to start out with the exterior of the vehicle. It is in great condition. There's probably, that I can see, not one little blemish on the paint of the exterior. Coming around to the front of the vehicle, as you can see, it is in really good condition as far as paint. No dents or dings on the hood or the bumper. Along the passenger side here. The windows do have a privacy glass. They are pretty dark. Coming to the back of the vehicle is in very nice condition. No scratches or anything like that. Not sure, might be a little tiny scratch there, but very minor. The Jeep does have 17-inch wheels on them, and they are in good condition. No scratches or curb marks on them at all. Take a look at this one here. Looks pretty good. You were asking about the top here. It does not have cross rails on the roof rack, but it does look like it has little hooks there on the rails that you can probably get some installed. We'll go ahead and go into the interior of the vehicle. All power windows and locks, as you can see there. Carpet is in good shape. The seats do not show any signs of wear or tear on them. This being the driver's seat here, passenger looks pretty good as well. You can see down here you'll have your heated seat buttons, your power outlets. This would be your dash here, Bluetooth, Sirius radio, your steering wheel controllers here, your cruise control on this side. That there looks like you can change your driver information center from that operation there. Center console looks nice. There is your 4 lock option. So you can lock it into 4-wheel drive. Go ahead and go to the back here. The back seat is in very good condition. It doesn't look like it had been used at all. Looks like you have 60-40 split seats there, so they can come down that way. Carpet in the back is in really, really nice shape. Some cup holders there. We'll go ahead and go to the trunk. Quite a bit of space back here. Those seats do fold down. Under here is your spare.
You freaked me out, right?
All right. So that is the 2011 Jeep Compass. Kristen, if you have any other questions, please get a hold of us. And thanks for watching.